Hello student. In this lecture we want to study about the numerical based on the rate and the rate constant K. Suppose consider an hypothetical reaction A plus B gives a products. So for this the formula is rate law expression is rate equal to K into concentration of A raised to the power X and B raised to the power Y, where X plus Y is called order of reaction. Suppose it is denoted by letter N. Now consider a problem 1, that is for a reaction the rate law expression is given as, and the data is given, that is if the rate is 0.25 molar per second, or here concentration of reactant 0.1 molar and concentration of B equal to 0.2 molar solution. Calculate the K. Now how to solve it? First you have to find out the data. What the values or what quantities are given in a numerical. First you have to find out, that is called data. So here the value of rate is given, that is rate equal to 0.25 molar per second, and concentration of A equal to 0.1 molar, concentration of B equal to 0.2 molar. And again from this rate law expression find out the value of X and Y. That is the from rate law expression, that is the rate equal to K into concentration of A raised to the power 1 and concentration of B raised to the power 2. So here X equal to 1, Y equal to 1 already given in this problem. So putting the value we can solve it. Now calculation. To calculate K, from the rate law expression, rate equal to K into concentration of A into concentration of B raised to the power 2. So we can write K equal to rate divided by concentration of A into concentration of B raised to the power 2. Now putting the values, that is the rate 0.25 molar per second and that of concentration of A 0.1 molar and the concentration of a B 0.2 molar raised to the power 2. Solving this, that is by removing this 25 into 10 raised to the power minus 2 mole per second divided by 1 into 10 raised to the power minus 2 molar into 4 into 10 raised to the power minus 2 molar raised to the power 2. So this is the easy method to calculate the rate constant, या फिर we can say rate. So here remove this decimal point and written in terms of a significant figure या फिर in terms of a 10 raised to the power. So it is very easier method. So from this we can write, that is the 25 divided by 4 raised to the power minus 2. ऊपर जाने के बाद में ये हो गया +1, ये हो गया ऊपर जाने के बाद में अगेन +2 and unit m is cancelled. So here m minus 2 second inverse, and solving this, that is the 250 divided by 4 molar raised to the power 2 minus 1, and solving this you can find out the value of a K. Clear? So first you have to write down the rate law expression, putting the value of a rate and concentration of A and concentration of B. If the value of X and Y is given already, then there is no need of it to calculate the value of X and Y, and from this you can solve the numerical based on the rate and the rate constant.